DALEVANA CO.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited. I am back with another candle unboxing, and this one is once again with DALEVANA and Company. So if you guys are not familiar, DALEVANA and Company is a monthly subscription company for candles. Okay, yes, so if you all are interested in luxury candles that'll have your house, trust me, it will have your house smelling amazing. Right now, I am currently burning one from my previous video, and if you all are interested in seeing that, I will have that information down below in the description box, as well as at the end of this video for you all to check out what my last unboxings were. But this one is a little bit more special than the last because DALEVANA, I'm so excited. The guys over there have sent a extra candle, okay? And this will be for one lucky winner. So if you guys are interested, then of course I'm gonna have that giveaway information for you all shortly, okay? They packed this so well that you don't have to worry if you have a mailman that is a little rough with your packages. You do not have to worry about your package having any damage to it. So I do have a coupon code, guys, that is freebie babe. Okay, so if you want to get 5% off of your order, you can do that on the website. So I love how these have come packed. Okay, how cute is this? So yeah, like I mentioned, not one, but two candles here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, it's so cute. So this is a hand-poured soy candle, and this one is Forever Crayon. So cute. I can't wait to smell it. Oh my God, it smells even better than the last one. I'll have the information here so that you guys can see what is all inside of this candle, but I don't know. I'm really crazy about scents. Is anybody else out there that's like me when it comes to like scents? I love it. I need to have something, okay? Some beautiful candle in my house. So yeah, these are definitely luxury candles. They're amazing. And of course, like I mentioned, they sent over an additional candle here, okay? And I believe this should be the same one that I have for you guys. Oh, it's actually another one. Oh, look. So you have sweet cocoa. I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time trying to decide. I think I'm going to go with Forever Crayon as my candle, okay? Don't be mad. You're still going to get a candle, right? So yeah, let me light this candle. Beautiful. I love it. So if you guys are interested in the opportunity of getting your hands on this candle, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't, turn on your notification bells, and comment down below your favorite vacation spot. Okay, the winner will be announced next Wednesday, so definitely you have a lot of time, okay, for you guys to go ahead and get your entry in. So a special thank you again to DALEVANA and Company for the opportunity for me to receive these candles as well as be able to give them out in a giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.